always running all my life, and never thought I'd see the finish line. Always trying to just get by, and I never thought it could get easier. You make me feel so optimistic. So optimistic. Always moving, buzzing around, and I never thought I'd stand still. But you keep me grounded. There's still some kind of chance I will. You give the day some definition, so they don't just pass me by. I'll give you this true admission that you took me by surprise. You give the world a little something. You know how to slow down time. That's why I don't mind admitting that you took me by surprise. You made me feel so optimistic. So optimistic. So optimistic. Now I don't wanna know what I do without you. 'Cause every time that we talk, you make me feel so optimistic. So optimistic. So optimistic. So optimistic. So optimistic.